Hello beautiful people, how are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing amazing. Welcome back to another house rebuild update. I know it has been a minute since I did a video about the house rebuild, so I'm so sorry guys, and this is actually because I had to wait for the roof to arrive here in the countryside, and this is what we have been waiting for, to be honest, because even the builders and the workers here in the house has been waiting for this as well, because they had to stop working because obviously this is what they needed for us to, you know, finish the roof and everything else. So yeah, anyway, today finally it has arrived. If you guys have been following me on Instagram, I think I did a poll if what color of roof is the best for the White House. Is it gonna be green or is it gonna be brown? And I think some of you, I think it was like 50-50 like the results, but I opted for color brown, and that's because I think it's not very common. I think here in the countryside a lot of people have used green roof already, blue, especially color red and orange as well. So yeah, I want to be different, and I think the color brown is really nice and chic, and it looks really good as well, I would have to say, because the house will be painted white, and I think everything else will go with the color white, right? So that's why I decided to go with brown. So over here, if you guys can look down, you guys will see my roof. So I did get a rib star. So I think there are three different types of roof, right? So we have tile roof, we have a rib star, and then we do have the corrugated roofs. So the corrugated roof is the one that I have right now that has a very thin metal sheet, and I didn't want to use that anymore because obviously it didn't serve me well during the typhoon, and there's leak before the typhoon. So I really wanted to make sure that this time it's going to be at least a bit thick and typhoon proof, hopefully. So we have the roof over here, and I decided to go for rib star because the tile roof is actually really nice. Oh my gosh, that's my dream roof. It looks very good and very, very sophisticated, you know, but it's very pricey as well. Like the price is also sophisticated, so I can't have that. But anyway, I have here the rib star, and I think it looks really nice as well with the color brown. This is a 0.4 millimeter. You can have 5 and 6. Yeah, this one is pretty heavy. It's already thick, so that's why I decided to get this. I cannot wait for them to actually install the roof so that we won't have any leaks anymore that is coming in the house. Yeah, there's been a lot of leaks since, you know, it's been raining here in the countryside. It's been on and off. Yeah, it is quite hard because the inside of the house will get flooded. So now that it's here, they are now gonna finally install my roof. And the reason why as well, it took some time for me to get the roof is because I had to go back and forth with different hardwares. First, I went to Atlantic Hardware, and my twin was actually assisting me there, and unfortunately they don't really cut with the sizes of the roof that my builder wanted, so I cannot get it from there. And I went to a different different one. It is quite pricey. So finally, I was able to get to know to this warehouse, and they're actually a really big warehouse, and they do supply a roof for those hardwares. So this is my roof, and it has different sizes. So over here in this area, you guys will be able to see my gutter. So this is how it looks. Actually, they have different gutters that you can choose from in there. I think this is the basic one or the simplest one. At first, I thought of getting the Spanish gutter, but it was a bit expensive than this one, so I just opted to get this one anyway. And again, this is color brown. Of course, it will be weird if you will have a different color of gutter when you have brown for the roof, right? So I just opted for brown as well. So by the way, I think I got 22 pieces of gutter. In this area, you guys will be able to see my metal fascia. Now, this is color white. There it is here below. And yeah, I just decided to go with white because the house is going to be white anyway, and I think white will go with any colors. All right, so if we are going to look up here in the house, guys, you guys will be able to see that they were able to already put metal fascia around the edges. Please don't mind the current metal fascia that you guys can see in the old house, in the old roof. We are gonna have to remove those. My old metal fascia is not gonna be wasted because my mom will be using it for her house. So my mom has told me that she's going to have an extension for her store, and she said that she is going to use this metal fascia, which I actually don't mind. At least it's not gonna be put into waste. So anyway, if we look up, you guys will be able to see the metal fascia that they were already able to install. I think they were only able to install here in this area, in the front of the house, on the other side of the house. The back, they were not able to install it yet. So yeah, so far, those are the current update of the house. There is not much update, and that's because, you know, we just got the materials. Again, I had to rent a truck so that we can have it delivered here in the countryside. Aside from my roof, gutter, metal fascia, I also decided to get my water tank. So if you guys can recall, my water tank was destroyed by Typhoon Odette. So obviously I need to get a new one so that we could have water in the house. Right now, we don't have any water in the house. We had to get water in the barrel, store it in the barrel, and then just grab some pail, bring it to the house, and that's how we work in the meantime. But yeah, as soon as we can install this water tank, if you guys are asking, I think there's one comment that was asking where did I get this and how much did I pay for this. So this is a Tiger tank, and this is 500 liters, and I think I paid for 7,000 pesos. Before, when I got my previous one, I only paid for 5,000 pesos, which is $100 US. And obviously after a year, it already went up to 7,000 pesos. So yeah, it is a bit pricey. I think next year it's gonna go to 9K, 10K, whatsoever. But yeah, we're gonna have to replace the old one that I got right now. I think my mom is gonna have it as well. So my mom is getting all of the old stuff that I got in the house. She's gonna make use of them. And then yeah, we are gonna have to weld this one and make sure that it's gonna be typhoon proof and we won't have any issues with the water tank anymore. That's the update that I have for you guys for the province house rebuild. I really wish though that you know, they were able to start installing the roof already so I could show it to you guys how would it look and whatnot. But yeah, I think they're not working today. I don't know why. All of the materials are already here. And by the way, aside from the roof, gutter and whatsoever, I also had to get tech screw, all of that nails that is needed. I think we're not going to be using nails. I think they're going to be using screw and blind rivets, hand riveter, and all of that stuff that I actually do not know. Alright guys, so another update that I want to share to all of you, and just a disclaimer, I am not bragging in any way, shape, or form. I just want to share this with you guys since I'm sharing my life with you guys anyway. A few days ago, actually 3 days ago, my mom celebrated her 48th birthday. This is actually her birthday gift. She got a new car, so you might be thinking that this is my car. This is not my car, okay? My car is over there. And I think you guys will be able to see that there is a difference. This one is not tinted. So you guys can see like the driver and the inside. And yeah, I'm so happy. Like finally my mom got her own car. She has been wanting to get one for herself. The time has come that finally she got it. This is actually secondhand, and the reason why my mom finally got a car, and that's because I actually enrolled her. If you guys have been following me on the blog, I enrolled my mom in a driving school, and she was very happy that she was able to, you know, drive, because she's been really wanting to get a car for herself. So after that, she got her license already. She's been driving with her motorbike, and I think that was 2 years ago already that I gave my mom her motorbike. So this time she got a red car. I know, right? It's red. I know. Mine is red. This is red. We are the red cars family. But yeah, this is what's available. I really wish it was on a different color so we could have a distinction, but you know, this is what's available. So I just went with red. I think red is really nice anyway for like a woman that's driving, right? So yeah, this is my mom's car, and this is a 2018 Toyota Vios. I'm so happy for her. Anyway, I know some of you guys might be asking like how much did I spend for the roof that I got. I know I have shared with you guys like how much did I spend for the 12 concrete pillars for the house. So for the roof, again, it was color roof, and it's 0.4 mm, and with all of the cuts and the number of pieces, I was able to spend around 60,000 pesos plus. So that's already including the metal fascia and of course the gutter as well. So yeah, and then for the water tank, that was 7,400 pesos. Okay, so yeah, there you go. Still really need to work on, you know, installing it. And by the way, I also spent around 2,000 pesos for the screw, for the blind rivets, and for the hand riveter, all of that jazz. So yeah, it was an expensive Friday for me during that time, and I had to rent a truck for 1,500 pesos as well. Anyway, everyone, I'm going to go and end the vlog here. Thank you guys for watching. It is a really quick update for you guys. I know it has been a week, I think, since I have not uploaded a video, and finally this is here. So the next time that you guys will see me is going to be the roof installation. So hopefully I could be here and vlog that and share that to you guys. So yeah, anyway, thanks guys again for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye.